How to fix WhatsApp backup problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp backup problem on Android phone. First open settings and then just scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here just click WhatsApp and then click storage. Now click clear cache and that's it. Then click force stop here, this one, and then just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, come back here and then click go to WhatsApp again and click permissions. Now just enable storage, maybe you will find it like that, and then click allow, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.